Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we will show you the progress assembly of a WH-WALLCAB. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For step 1, you require parts A, parts I, parts G, 4 parts 1, and part number 2, and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Continuing on, you'll need part number 3. For the next step, you'll require part B, 4 parts number 1, and a part number 2. Let's go ahead and install now. For the next step, you'll require one part number 3. Let's install. For the next step, you'll require parts F, 2 parts 1, and 4 parts number 4. Let's go ahead and install now. For the next step, you require part C, 2 parts 1, 4 parts number 4, and parts number 6. Let's go ahead and install now. For next step, we require 4 parts number 3. Let's install now. For the next step, you'll require 4 sets of number 7. Let's go ahead and install now. For the next step, you require parts E, D, parts 8, and parts 9. Let's go ahead and install now. Next, we'll be attaching the doors to the main part of the assembly, and we'll just need parts number 7. We're going to be doing the same for the other side. For the next step, you require parts K, J, L, M. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you require parts number 5, 27 of them, and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and install now. We're going to do this for the rest of the screws. For our next step, we'll just require parts 10, the standoffs. Let's install them now. Next, we're going to be fitting in the shelf. Thank you for watching the product assembly of our WH-WALLCAB. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product details and more of our assemblies. Thank you.